Hey everybody, this is Chris, and this video is especially for students from India. I was approached by another teacher, Manoj, who suggested that we make a video about 100 commonly mispronounced words by Indian students, and he's going to help me to imitate the pronunciation that he hears in a lot of his students, and I'm going to pronounce the words as they would be pronounced by a native speaker from the south of the UK for people who are interested in the British accent. Before we start this video, I just want to say that I respect Indian English. Indian English is a correct and recognized form of English. The Indian accent is a correct accent, and nobody should have to change their accent if they don't want to do so. This video is purely for educational purposes for people who are interested in modern received pronunciation and is not designed to be offensive to anybody in any way. So having said that, I hope you found this video useful. And let's listen to Manoj first.
Hi, my name is Manoj. I'm a teacher. I'm from Kerala, India. I've been working for the last 18 years, both in India and in the Maldives. I have noticed that some of my students continuously mispronounce a few words, especially in the middle grade. So I have made a list of 100 words which are commonly mispronounced by my students, and I'm going to read them as it is read by them, and my dear friend Chris is going to pronounce them correctly. Hi Chris.
Hi Manoj.
Come on, let's get started. Adage,
Adage,
adhesive,
adhesive,
alternative,
alternative,
Antarctic,
Antarctic,
antonym,
antonym,
Arctic,
Arctic,
athlete,
athlete,
atmosphere,
atmosphere,
ballet,
ballet,
bomb,
bomb,
bouquet,
bouquet,
boutique,
boutique,
breakfast,
breakfast,
brewery,
brewery,
bury,
berry,
catastrophe,
catastrophe,
circuit,
circuit,
colonel,
kernel,
comb,
comb,
comedian,
comedian,
comment,
comment,
cuff,
cough,
coop,
coup,
coupon,
coupon,
cucumber,
cucumber,
cupboard,
cupboard,
debris,
debris,
debt,
debt,
debut,
debut,
demeanor,
demeanor,
dengue,
dengue,
desert,
dessert,
develop,
develop,
devotee,
devotee,
divorce,
divorce,
duff,
dough,
drought,
drought,
elite,
elite,
entrepreneur,
entrepreneur,
epitome,
epitome,
etc.,
etc.,
extempore,
extempore,
fasten,
fasten,
floor,
flower,
genre,
genre,
Greenwich,
Greenwich,
hind,
hind,
infamous,
infamous,
interesting,
interesting,
itinerary,
itinerary,
jewelry,
jewelry,
kangaroo,
kangaroo,
karate,
karate,
karaoke,
karaoke,
lettuce,
lettuce,
lieutenant,
lieutenant or lieutenant in the US,
maniac,
maniac,
mayonnaise,
mayonnaise,
miniature,
miniature,
mischievous,
mischievous,
monarchy,
monarchy,
monk,
monk,
mortgage,
mortgage,
oasis,
oasis,
onion,
onion,
pear,
pear,
pizza,
pizza,
bluff,
plough,
plumber,
plumber,
police,
police,
posthumously,
posthumously,
predecessor,
predecessor,
purchase,
purchase,
quarantine,
quarantine,
rapport,
rapport,
receipt,
receipt,
regime,
regime,
relative,
relative,
salmon,
salmon,
saloon,
salon,
soften,
soften,
sour,
sour,
squirrel,
squirrel,
stampede,
stampede,
stomach,
stomach,
subtle,
subtle,
suit,
sweet,
surface,
surface,
sword,
sword,
synonym,
synonym,
taboo,
taboo,
target,
target,
temperature,
temperature,
thumb,
thumb,
tomb,
tomb,
tortoise,
tortoise,
tuition,
tuition,
tyranny,
tyranny,
Wednesday,
Wednesday,
woman.
women.
Thank you.
Okay, so that's it, everybody. 100 commonly mispronounced words by Indian students. So I really hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please do help me to click the like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Also, if you want to learn more about British English pronunciation, if you're interested in this area, please do check out my website and click in the link below this video to sign up and get my free course. You can study there with me, and I hope to see you very soon. Okay, so have a great day, everybody.